Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is a set of symptoms that result from two or more X chromosomes in males. Now let us see about the etiology of this condition. It is caused by two or more X chromosomes with one or more Y chromosomes. This picture shows two X chromosomes with one Y chromosome. It most commonly presents as 47 XXY karyotype with a single bar body. It is most commonly caused by maternal meiotic non-distinction, whose incidence rises with maternal age. It can also be caused by mosaicism or paternal meiotic non-distinction. Now let us see about the clinical features of Klinefelter syndrome. There will be small atrophic testes, tall stature, lack of secondary male characteristics, gynecomastia. There will be infertility due to reduced spermatogenesis, and it is occasionally associated with mild mental retardation. This picture shows a patient with Klinefelter syndrome. Note the tall stature and gynecomastia. Now let us see about the laboratory findings of Klinefelter syndrome. Decreased testosterone levels and increased FSH and LH levels. Now let us see about the treatment of Klinefelter syndrome. Testosterone replacement can be done after puberty. However, it does not treat infertility. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.